Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start question number 23 of exercise 4.3. A formation of a marching band has 14 marches in the first row, 16 in the second row, 18 in the third row, and so on for 25 rows. How many marches are in the last row and how many marches are there altogether? Okay, now let's collect all the information from this question. The first row has 14 marches, so A1 is equals to 14. The second row has 16, A2 is equals to 16, 18 in the third row, A3 is equals to 18, and so on for 25 rows. That means that the total number of rows is 25. How many marches are there in the last row? So for the last row, we need to find A25 is equals to question mark. And how many marches are there altogether? So SN S25 basically is equals to question mark. Now to find A25, we also need the value of D. So we can find the common difference by A2 minus A1, which is equals to 16 minus 14, and this is equals to 2. So the value of common difference is 2, value of A1 is 14, we can find A25. So A25 is equals to A1 plus 24D. Now A25 is equals to A1 is 14 plus 24 into D is 2. A25 is equals to 14 plus 2 to the 4, 4 2s are 8. A25 is equals to 8 plus 4 is 12, 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 62. So A25 is 62. Now we need to find Sn. S25 is equals to n by 2 into A1 plus An. N is 25 by 2 into A1 is 14 plus n A25 is 62. It is equals to 25 by 2 into 14 plus 62 gives us 76. Now cancel it. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 25 into 38, and it is equals to 950. So this is the value of sum. We have found sum, we have found the last term, and this was all about question number 23. Question number 24 says how many poles will be in a pile of telephone poles if there are 50 in the first layer. So first layer equals 50, 49 in the second, 49 in the second, and so on until there are 6 in the last layer. So An is equals to 6. We have to find, okay, we can easily find the difference is equals to A2 minus A1, which is 49 minus 50. It is equals to minus 1. And now we have to find the value of n. So An is equals to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. An is 6 is equals to A1 is 50 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 1. So let's multiply this minus 1 with this. So we get minus n plus 1 is equals to 6 minus 50. Minus n is equals to 6 minus 50 is minus 44 minus 1. So this is equal to minus n is equals to minus 45, which is equals to n is equals to 45. So now we have the value of n as well. And what do we have to find? Okay, until there are 6 layers in the layer. How many poles will be in a pile of telephone poles? Okay, we have to find the sum of all of these poles. So we have in all of these layers. So S45, we have to find this. We have the value of n, we have the value of A1, and we have the value of An. Yeah, so we can find it easily. S45 is equals to n by 2 into A1 plus An. It is equals to n is 45 by 2 into A1 is 50 plus An is 6. So it is equals to 45 by 2 into 56. It cancels. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. It is equals to 45 into 28, which is 45 into 28 is 90. So this is your answer. Question number 25 reads, a family saves money in an arithmetic sequence rupees 6,000 in the first year. So A1 is equals to rupees 6,000. Rupees 70,000 in the second year. A2 is equals to 70,000. And so on for 20 years. How much do they save in all? So N is equals to 20. Okay, let's find the difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. It is equals to 70,000 minus 6,000. It is equals to 70 minus 6 is equals to 64. 70 minus 6 is equals to 64. Am I right? I think so. And then 1,000. Okay. So this is our difference. This is N. This is A1. And we have to find S20. So we need to find A20 after all. So A20 is equals to A1 plus 19. D, it is equals to 6,000 plus 19 into 64,000, and this is equals to 1 triple 2 and 1,000. This is our A20. Now we have to find S20 is equals to N by 2 into A1 plus AN. N is 20 divided by 2 into A1 is 6,000 plus AN is 1,222,000. It is equals to 20 by 2 is 10 into 6,000 plus 1,222,000 is 1,228,000. And this into 10 gives us 1,228,000 within the 0. So this is S20, and this is the result of our question. This is question number 26. Mr. Salim saves rupees 500 on October 1, rupees 550 on October 2, rupees 600 on October 3. So A1 is equals to 500, A2 is equals to 550, A3 is equals to 600, and so on. How much is saved during October? October has 31 days, so N equals 31. And during October, for all of October, so we are going to find S31 is equals to question mark. Let's first find the difference is equals to A2 minus A1 is equals to 550 minus 500 is equals to 50. So we have the difference. Now we can find A31 is equals to A1 plus 30D is equals to 500 plus 30 into D is 50. So we have 500 plus 5 threes are 15 and then 2 zeros, and 1500 plus 500 is equals to 2000. Okay, now we have to find S31 is equals to N by 2 into A1 plus AN is equals to N is 31 divided by 2 into A1 is 500 plus AN is 2000. It is equals to 31 by 2 into 2000 plus 500 is 2500. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and 0. 31 into 1250 is 38750. And that is the answer of question number 26. And by the end of this question, we have ended this exercise as well. Thank you so much.